I'll never buy store-bought burrata again. This homemade recipe has saved me a lot of money. Start by measuring out about 2 quarts of fresh whole milk, preferably raw or minimally processed. Heat it to around 115 degrees Fahrenheit, using a kitchen thermometer for accuracy. Once the milk reaches the right temperature, add 5 tablespoons of 10% distilled white vinegar. The vinegar naturally curdles the milk, separating the curds from the whey. Stir slowly with a wooden spoon until curds form and begin to separate. Strain the mixture through a fine sieve or cheesecloth, keeping the whey in a bowl. Begin gently kneading the warm curds over the whey until they become elastic. This is your mozzarella, which will be the outer shell of the burrata. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the whey and place the cheese back into the liquid. Continue kneading with a wooden spoon until the mass becomes smooth, stretchy, and uniform. To remove excess moisture, wrap the cheese in cheesecloth and gently squeeze. Finally, rinse the burrata in lukewarm water and place it in a light brine, or serve it right away. A creamy center, delicate shell, and fresh flavor, just like in the Italian countryside. And the best part? You made it yourself, right in your own kitchen.